Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get free items in Temu in 2024. First of all you have to do is download the Temu application from Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the Temu app on your phone. Once the app is opened, you have to go to the U section, which is on the center of the bottom of your screen. Click on U section. On this page, you have to see or find the option called Earn Credits and Free Gifts. If this option doesn't appear on your screen, it means that this option has not been available on your region. If this option is appeared on your screen, which means you can earn free gifts and get free items on Temu. Click on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. On the next page, you will see multiple options to earn free gifts. I will select the second option, which is Win Freebies. I will click to reveal and I will click on Win My Gifts. On this page, I have to select or pick 3 items that I want to claim for free on Temu. Now I have selected 3 items. What I have to do, I have to add a new address. I will click on it, add a new address, and then I will type in my home address, and then I will select on confirm. On this page, I will select on collect my gifts. Now it is telling me how to get free gifts quickly. First of all, I have to invite friends to accept my invitation via my hat trick or link code and earn energies. Number 2 is use energy to collect item cards in the hat trick game. Number 3 is once you've collected all 3 items cards, you can claim free gifts together. So what I have to do, I will select on invite new app users. From here I can copy my link code, or I can select messages or any other social media apps to share my link. Once my friends signed up with my link or the code that I have provided them from the link, then Temu will give me more energies. With more energies, I can claim my free gifts. And that's how to claim free gifts or free items in Temu. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.